Header and footer. Header is the text that appears at the top of each page of the document. Footer is the text like page number that appears at the bottom of each page of the document. Headers and footers generally contain additional information such as document title, page numbers, dates, author's name, and footnotes. To insert header and footer, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on Insert tab. Step 2. Click on the header or footer command. Step 3. You can choose from various available header or footer templates or choose blank option to enter text of your choice. The header and footer will open with the insertion point in the header or footer. Type the desired information in header or footer or both. When you are done, click Close Header and Footer or press Escape key.